Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 08. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin ang Custom Query Builder section ng BIMS App. Ang Custom Query Builder ay isang tool na ginagamit para gumawa ng dynamic reports based on selected criteria. Ang maganda dito, hindi kailangan ng programming knowledge. The user can build a report by simply selecting fields, operators, and values. This is useful kapag ang barangay personnel ay gustong mag-filter ng resident records based on specific conditions tulad ng age, gender, status, or other available resident information. Una, mula sa BIMS app, buksan ang Custom Query Builder section. Sa screen, makikita ang Add Condition button, Generate Report button, and the option to combine conditions using AND or OR. Para gumawa ng query, i-click muna ang Add Condition. After adding a condition, the user can select a field. For example, pwedeng pumili ng age, gender, or status, depending on the available fields in the system. Next, choose an operator. Examples of operators are equals, greater than or equal, less than or equal, and other comparison options. Pagkatapos, enter the value that will be used for filtering. For example, if the selected field is age, the value may be a number. If the selected field is gender or status, the value should match the available valid options. If more filtering is needed, the user may add another condition. Use AND if you want to narrow the results. For example, age is greater than or equal to 18 and status is active. This means both conditions must be true. Use OR if you want to expand the results. For example, gender is male or gender is female. This means records matching either condition may be included. Habang ginagawa ang query, makikita ang Query Preview section. This preview shows the logic before execution. It helps the user check whether the selected field, operator, value, and condition combination are correct. This is important because it allows the user to review the query before generating the report. Kapag ready na ang query, i-click ang Generate Report button. The system will then display the filtered data in the Query Results section. Dito makikita ang matching records based on the selected criteria. The results may include important columns such as ID, full name, gender, age, and other available fields. There is also a print button. This allows the user to print the filtered report using official formatting. Mahalagang tandaan na values must be valid for the selected field. For example, kung age ang selected field, dapat number ang ilagay. Kung status ang selected field, dapat valid status value ang gamitin. Also, build the query step by step. Huwag agad gumawa ng complicated filters. Add one condition first, check the preview, then add more conditions if needed. Sa right side, makikita ang Custom Query Builder Overview Help panel. It explains what this tool does, how it works, system output, important notes, and tips. In summary, ang Custom Query Builder ay isang flexible reporting tool that allows users to create filtered reports without writing code. It helps barangay personnel search, filter, preview, generate, and print resident-related reports based on selected criteria. With this tutorial, natapos na natin ang main how-to topics under the Barangay Residence Management module. Sa next how-to tutorials, we will proceed to other BIMS modules and workflows. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to use the Custom Query Builder. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com. Tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS App po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.